Hi, my name is Rolf, and I'm now going to show you 3 different ways remote troubleshooting your network with Cisco Meraki becomes easier. Let's check it out.
In this demo, there are 3 different features I want to highlight when it comes to remote troubleshooting your MS switches. So I've gone ahead and chosen our demo network right here, and I'm just going to go straight into the switch that we're going to demo on. In this case, it's going to be an MS225 that we see here, and I click into it. And the first thing that we see is the device page of this specific switch. We can see the name that the switch has been given. We can see IP specific information on the left here. We can see the tags that it has been assigned, and we can also see the port overview. What I want to highlight in this demo is the status icon that we can see to the left of the name. In this case, it is green, which means that it's online, it's good, it's running as expected. This status icon can have 4 different colors: green, which is online; orange, which is alerting; red, which is offline; and grayed out, which means unreachable. We can also see the timeline of the status icon over here in case you want to see how the switch has behaved over time. Let's drill deeper into alerting, which is the orange one. The alerting state comes when Cisco Meraki dashboard detects that something might be configured incorrectly or not working. So examples of this is, for instance, if we have IP address conflicts or the radius server is unreachable. The second tool I want to show is cable testing, and you can find this under the Tools tab. We find a cable test section here, and I can go ahead and write down the port number I want to run the cable test on. I click Run Cable Test. Now we can see here that the status is okay. It looks like all the 4 pairs in my Ethernet cable have connectivity. And then we can also get an estimated length of that cable. Now this length is not necessarily used to determine the exact length of that cable, but it can be used as a good indication in terms of whether we're looking at a patch cable or a building cable. The last feature I want to showcase is the remote packet capture. And we can find this under Network Wide. And in this case, since we're looking at remote troubleshooting our switches, we'll go ahead and select the switches. Select the same switch that we were in earlier. I'll choose the same port that we ran our cable test on. And in terms of output, we can decide whether we want to display the output directly in the web browser or in the dashboard, or we can download the PCAP file and export it to Wireshark to gain a better overview. I'll go ahead and choose the duration of our packet capture, let's say 30 seconds. And I can also choose the verbosity in terms of how much I want to see here. If I want to see everything, I'll just go ahead and click the whole ball of wax. I can filter expressions if I want to, and I can ignore broadcast and multicast packets. I start the packet capture, and we can see that the output window below is putting out the packet capture.
And that's it. With the use of status icons, the possibility to cable test and do remote packet captures, troubleshooting your network with Cisco Meraki becomes easier. Thanks for watching.